Hello, my name is Ed Cadwallader and welcome to Power BI for Schools beginner course. And this is video 1, get data and create a visual. So this is Power BI Desktop. It's a free program. If you Google download Power BI, you can get it from the Microsoft Store. The way that Power BI works is that you import your data and design your dashboards on the desktop version, and then you can publish them to the web. And that's actually one of its great strengths, that unlike with an Excel spreadsheet, you can publish and share with users who maybe aren't the tech savviest, and they can't break it, they can't change the design. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is get data. You can see it says over here, haven't loaded any data yet. We're going to go for the simplest in this lesson, which is just to pull in data from an Excel spreadsheet. Before we do, let's just take a quick look at that spreadsheet and check that it's what we call well formatted. So that basically means that it's one table with all the data in columns, the column headings in the first row, and absolutely no merged cells, which are the devil's hemorrhoids as far as data is concerned. Okay, so once we're sure of that, in BI Desktop, we can just click up in here from the Data tab of the Home ribbon, Excel, choose our, find our spreadsheet, and it will bring up a list of all of the sheets and tables in this Excel file. So we're just going to choose students and load. And it'll take a second to pull these in. And when it's done that, the table and the fields will appear over here on the right hand side. So here they are. Okay, and obviously as we load more tables, they'll appear here as well. So now to add a visual, we choose a visual type from the pane here. So let's go for a bar chart. And then you see here, we can bring in fields to the axis. So if we want, say, the gender as our axis, and then for the value, we can drag in any field. So here we go, and it will automatically default to obviously the value has to be a number, it will default to a count. Be aware that's a count of the values in the field. So in order to count everybody, it needs to be something where everybody has a value. All our students have an admission number, so that we can see we've got 182 girls and 149 boys. Now, if we want to change the visual type, we can just select a new visual type, and we can change things like the title, the colours, the formatting of the visual in the formatting pane here, where there's lots of characteristics we can change. So creating a visual is as easy as that.